I traveled to Dakar, Senegal, on behalf of the former First Lady and the First family to receive this prestigious award, which was in recognition of the former First Lady as a peacemaker who believes in dialogue, who believes in forging unity, who believes in Africa driving its destiny. And so when I went there, it was amazing to see the honor bestowed on the former First Lady. Actually, the first surprise was to see avenues lined as if it was a state visit. And President Macky Sall was very, very pleased.
Nawashukuru sana, 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 sana. Kwa sababu mimi sijafikiria ati kuna watu wanajua yale wanaona pahali tunatoka, pahali tulipo, na vile walifikiria mimi ndio waliona wanahitaji kunipatia heshima. Nashukuru sana sana kwa niaba yangu na my family na Kenya kwa jumla.